Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. I love you. So guys, if you have not joined for our online training class, you can register for our online training class. Just below the description box, my WhatsApp contact is there. You can chat me up on my WhatsApp number, then I can put you through on how to be a great and a successful skincare formulator. You know, one thing is to be a skincare formulator, and the other thing is to be a great one. Like when people buy your products, they will still come back again, or they will still tell someone else like, oh, our product is really great, our product is really working. Today I'm going to be talking about a facial cream. Like, it is a very common facial cream. I believe everybody know about this facial cream, but you really do not know how amazing this facial cream can be to you. So this is the White Secret facial cream. This is called a White Secret facial cream. So this facial cream is really amazing when it comes to the skin. So this is how it is. So I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's really amazing when it comes to the skin. So guys, for people that have dark spots, and for people that want to lighten up their face, see, if you know you don't want to lighten up your face, do not use this facial cream. Okay, I will still be doing some reviews when it comes to facial cream for just a glowing skin, for a brightening skin. But when it comes to lightening, God, I give it to this facial cream. Like, this cream is the best. Okay, it is the best. And this cream comes with a body wash. It also comes with a body oil. It also comes with a body lotion. Okay, so guys, this is going to help with dark spots. Perfect for dark spots. If you have dark spots, trust me, this facial cream is going to wipe it off. Like when I said wipe it off, give it 2 weeks. Come back and leave your comment section below. Leave your comment below the comment section here. And if you have also used this facial cream, come back and still tell me how it went on your skin. Because for me, there's nothing wrong with this cream. There is nothing wrong with this cream. So I've seen lots of people, they do say that the cream normally gives them sunburn. Wow, if you're in Nigeria and you are using something that lightens your face and you go under the sun, trust me, what are you expecting? You are going to have sunburn. Yeah, you're going to have sunburn. But here in Europe, I have used this, and most people have also used this. They did not experience anything like sunburn. So I don't know what you guys are talking about. So this is a go-to-go facial cream. Like, you don't want to buy a facial cream from any skincare formulators. You just want to use something simple and cheap. I think this is 800 naira for one, a bit 1,000 naira, I don't know anymore. Yeah, so if you want to use a simple facial cream that you're not going to rob the bank, like you're not going to be thinking of how to mix it, you can go for this one. Trust me, it's going to give you what you want without any sunburn. And it actually helps with the dark spot, because actually this facial cream is a dark spot corrector cream, not just like a facial cream like that. It's for dark spots. So because it's for dark spots, it helps to lighten up your face, because for your dark spots to be able to fade away, it's going to help to lighten up those dark spots, those patches. Okay, so guys, if you want a facial cream that you can use, you can actually use this one. And one thing I'm going to tell you about this facial cream, if you have oily skin soon, yes, this one is perfect for you, because I noticed that this facial cream do not have any oil in it. Of course, they made this facial cream with oil, but if you apply it on your face, you will not feel that oiling stuff on your face. It will not feel greasy on your face. So if you're battling with oiling skin, you can go for this one. It's just something that if you apply it on your face, it vanishes immediately. Like if you're using a cream that you have to massage before you see those white foamy stuff, before you see them disappearing, just so that your skin is really not taking that cream. Yes, and it's going to be really difficult for that product to work on your skin. But when it comes to this one, it disappears immediately. Now this cream is not made in Nigeria. So if you're buying the one made in Nigeria, trust me, you're buying the fake. Okay, if you're buying the one made in Nigeria, you are actually buying the fake. So my camera is not that clear, guys, sorry. If you're buying the one made in Nigeria, you're actually buying the fake. This cream is not made in Nigeria. And I'm also going to show you another cream. So this one is a BB Clear cream. Like this cream, they work hand to hand. So for me, I think the owner of this product is also the owner of this product. They do the same job, like exactly the same job, guys. These two facial cream, you know, I have them at home. Like I really do not know the difference. I really do not know the difference of this cream. Like sometimes I do think if they just made made one special cream, put it into two different containers, name it two different names just to sell their products, because this cream actually do the same job as this BB Clear facial cream. This BB Clear facial cream is the best. Like if you promise with this one, if you promise with this one, like if you know the right ingredients to promise with this one, hey God, forget it. You're going to have a very nice, beautiful face cream that when you give it to anybody to apply on their face, the person is going to come back and tell you thank you. But for this one, I don't know about this. I haven't promised with this one, but this one using directly is actually good, and I believe they are going to be doing the same work if you actually produced with this one. Yes, I think they are doing the same job, so it's the same company. Yes, guys. So this BB Clear facial cream is going to help with this patches. People will tell you, hey, the thing actually give dark patches because you are using a lightening product and you're not using a sunscreen. Who does that? See, if you know that you want to go for lightening, most people, they will tell you that I want to lighten up my skin. I want to go from 1 shade to 2 shades to 3 shades to 4 shades. See, your key, the first thing that you're supposed to buy in your house, the first skincare product that you're supposed to have is your sunscreen. Get a better sunscreen to help you. If not, you can even still be using this facial cream without even going under the sun, and you will still notice something like a sunburn, because these creams are very effective. So you need your sunscreen to help to shade, to protect your skin, your skin from stuff like this. So get this facial cream if you need something special, like something less expensive, or you have been trying people's cream, like you get a facial cream here, it's not working, you get this facial cream, is not working. Guys, get this white secret facial cream and come and thank me later. Okay, so use it at daytime, use it at night time. Some people will tell you that it's only made for night, it's good for night. What are you talking? Because you're not using a sunscreen, use your facial cream when you're going out, even under the sun. Just make sure that after applying your facial cream, you have to now apply your sunscreen. Get a better sunscreen, especially this alcohol-based sunscreen. It is great. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a review of a sunscreen that you can actually use. You know, there are some sunscreen that you're going to use is going to leave a white cast on your face. There are some sunscreen that you use, like you will see that glow, you see your face glowing, like you see it immediately. It's not after 1 week glow, one thing. No, it's, you see the glow immediately you apply it. So guys, get a white secret facial cream and beware of the fake. Anyone made in Nigeria is a fake. And now I'm going to show you something. I'm going to open it. When you open it, it's like this. So the cover is seed. Okay, the cover is seed with a plain, should I say white? It's not white, a plain nylon. Okay, and We have the papers here. So it is written with French and English, okay? So this cream is actually a French cream. So if you're getting the one made in Nigeria, forget it. So you have actually bought the fake one. This cream is not a Nigerian product, okay? But trust my Nigerian people, they will want to also do imitation of this product, okay? So sometimes imitation does not mean that the product is not going to work, but imitation is imitation, okay? So also, let me open it. Let me open it for you. So let me just show you. This is it. It's white inside, okay? So if you're buying any white secret facial cream that is not actually white, forget it. You have bought the fake one. Even if it is brown color, it's not even supposed to be milk color. It's supposed to be pure white, and the smell is you know, the smell is just this I don't know, the smell is not ash. It's not that ash, not something. It's just calm. So if you're getting the one that the smell is very harsh, like the smell is very obvious, know that you bought the fake one. So the smell of a white secret, original white secret facial cream, you feel that gentle, warm, nice smell. But once the thing is very harsh, like you put it on your nose and you just do like this, know that you have gotten the fake one, okay? So guys, beware of the fake one and get the original one. It's a cheap facial cream that will give you what you want. And if you're a chocolate skin, please don't use this one. It's going to lighten up your face. I'm going to be doing a review of it. Yeah, I will try. The thing is that I'm just going to get a facial cream for a glowing skin and give it to someone that is dark in skin too to use it. Because for me, if I get a facial cream for glowing skin and I'm using it, I cannot really tell the difference, what is doing in my skin, because my skin is already light. So then I will come back and do the review when it comes to that product. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful, and please leave your comments below the comment section, okay? If you have used this cream before, let us know the effect on your skin, and if you also want to use it, you can try this product and you can use it, and come and leave your comments below the comment section. So guys, for those that want to join the online training class, I'm here for you. So see you soon in my other next video. Bye.